have created a data cleaning and preprocessing app. Now upload the data set. I will use Airbnb listing to publish your data. For this, let's preview the data. Here is a data preview. Now explore more. We can use data information. Here is the complete data information. There is a missing value, duplicate value, and many unique values, column with unique values. Here is a data summary, row with missing values, and now duplicate values. We can remove it by one click. We don't need to write any single code for it. We have removed all the duplicate values and missing values. Now we have 20,724 rows and 22 columns. Now look at the static summary. Mean, median 25%, 75% maximum value. Now look at the value counts. We will look at the more. Here is the value count of categorical columns. Here is the observation. You can hover it to view the value counts particular. And here is a numerical value count. Numerical value counts. You can adjust the range accordingly. And here is the observation with all the required options. Now we will see the correlation with all the numerical columns. Here is the correlation matrix. Now here is a heat map, which show you can hover it and look at the which is correlated. You can change the color of it. And here is the observation, which is positive correlation, which is negative, or which is weak positive. Now look at the kurtosis and skewness of the data. Here is a matrix of skewness and kurtosis of each column, and here is a graph. Now look at the numerical and categorical column. Let's hide this option, data preview option. It will carry space. Here there is a numerical column all, and this is a categorical column. Now if you see that there is a in numerical column is showing in categorical as data type is object, and there is some string value in it, so we will replace it. And in license you can see there is a license number, so we will replace it with exempted. Now replace it, select the replace option in clean data, and select first with license. I will select the second option. So I don't want to replace. Don't want to replace these values, and rest of the value we will replace it with exempt. I have clicked on with exempt, and now all the values have been exempted, has been license value has been exempted. Now change the rating. In rating we will select the single value, as there is only single text value, no rating. I will change it with 0. Now change the bedroom value. There is a studio string value, so replace it with 0. And now in bath you can not specified, right? All the values have been replaced. Now you can see that value has been replaced. In rating you will get, when you change the data type, you will get the some missing columns, so we will fill it with median with whatever is suitable. So let's check the data info again. There is a missing value show or not. There is no missing value, right? Plot, and now change the bath as well. Bath, we have also some floating value, so we will change it with float. And in bedroom we will change it with integer. Now look again the data type. Yeah, look, yes, there is a rating none value, so we will replace it in none with wait a minute, we will replace fill missing value. We will use missing value fill, so we don't remove it. So in rating we will select rating option, and here is you can choose whatever you want. I will use median. Wait, rating is not selected. I will choose median value to replace it. I fill the value, so there is no missing value anymore in rating column. You can choose other option, or you can choose custom or 0 as well. Now explore the more fill value. We will clean the some categorical column. Let's review the data. There is symbol in name column. There is symbol, dot, and extra spaces in it, so we will remove it. So we will select the name column and clean text. Look, here is all the data is in the symbol, dot, and extra spaces has been removed from name column. Now as name is not relevant to this data, so we will remove multiple columns together. I will select only name, so it remove it. Now we don't have name data, so we have to refresh it by selecting other options. There is no name column, right? So now let's, all the values has been done, filling machine, right? There is one option is left, cross tabulation, which is work on check the correlation with all the category columns. So we will check room type and license. So this is option. There is a cross tabulation. You can adjust accordingly. You can save the matrix. Thank you guys. This data cleaning app took me 30 days, more than 30 days to do it. Thank you again.